Welcome back, guys, for another weekly geo analysis. On the daily time frame right now, the structure is broken, and also our trend line is also broken. So next thing we're looking for is a lower high, right? A lower high, and also a retest of the break of structure. So I have this thing markup right here, but it's possible price could go higher to do that retest. So we're waiting to see what the price gonna do, because what price currently at, it looks like it's a support level. So on a support level, we normally look for buys, and that is what we're looking at on the daily time frame. Daily time frame is broken, it's bearish, and we are looking for a lower high for sell opportunity. H4 also same thing. H4 is bearish, but right now price seem to be moving sideways. Um, we're gonna be waiting for the opportunity for sales when it presents itself. But we would love to see a price retracement all the way to the 38.2% on Fibs level, and our TP will be negative 27%. So this is the speculation we have right now. That's we would love to see on H4, and this week we're gonna be waiting to see if it's actually going to retrace all the way to 38.2%. That will also give us the lower high we're looking for on the daily time frame. H1 also prices moving sideways, but at the same time, if you look this right here, this is a higher low, also another higher low, pretty much saying that's at this current point of time there is more buyers, right? So we may be looking for short-term buys, and when price reach this level that we mentioned earlier, 38.2%, then we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. This is it for this video. Not gonna try to make it too long, but yeah, good luck, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.